Are you kidding me? Look at these lashes. I need you to zoom in as far as you can on my lashes. Hi everybody, my name is Rogue and I'm here from the Sephora squad. Today I'm gonna show you how I got this super lightweight, natural makeup look that you could totally do every single day. And the best part is that I used all clean products. And let's get into it. So to start off this makeup look, I'm gonna be using the Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Tinted Serum in the shade 40. I'm gonna be pumping a little bit of this on the back of my hand, about 2 pumps. I wanna take a moment and show you all how amazing this formula is. It's super duper unique. It has these super cool encapsulated pigments that you can actually see in the formula. And as you start to blend it away, they burst and become this really beautiful light reflecting pigment that leaves a really natural finish on the skin. And I'll be applying that with the Rose Inc No. 3 foundation brush. So this is an ultra lightweight gel formula that blends seamlessly into the skin. I like to apply it in sweeping motions. My favorite thing about this formula is that it gives your skin a really soft luminescence, that no makeup look that looks really healthy on the skin. Look how pretty it looks. I'm just making sure I blend it down my neck and even on my ears. Don't want to forget those ears. I think that looks really good. For the next step in my routine, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite concealers, the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer and Daytime Eye Cream in the shade 2.5. I'm gonna be applying this under my eyes as well as in any areas that I'd like to bring a little bit of light. So the center of my chin, down the center of my nose, the center of my forehead, and on the sides of my nose. I like to apply my concealer in the inner corner of my eye as well as the outer corner of my eye to not only lift this area, but lift it here and brighten everything. I'm gonna go in and blend this out with my Bio Pure Sustainable Green Makeup Sponge by Beauty Blender. I like to apply this in tapping motions to ensure that I get the most coverage in the areas that I need it. The super cool thing about this sponge is it's actually made of 60% plant-based materials. Jumping now from my complexion onto my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Ilia The Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Nude. This eyeshadow palette has a really fantastic color story that'll go along with a lot of different skin tones and shades. But today I'm gonna be focusing on the matte shades. The first shade I'm gonna be picking up is this shade 1979. It's a perfect medium matte brown. I'm gonna be going in with the Sephora Pro 26 crease brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that on my brush and apply it in windshield wiper movements, back and forth. I'm gonna be applying this shade in an upwards and outwards motion to give my eye an elongated appearance. I'm just gonna build up this color until it's at the intensity that I'd like. The next shade I'm gonna be going in with is this gorgeous chocolatey brown called Lina, and I'm gonna be using this with the Sephora Pro Shadow No. 18. It's a little domed guy. He's perfect to get in all little areas you might need to get it into. I'm gonna be taking this shade on the outer corner of my eye and lifting it up and out. I'm gonna take the same shade on the same brush and I'm gonna run it into my crease just the tiniest amount. Now it might look a little rough at first, but if you go in with your original fluffy blending brush and just whack it through your crease and make sure it's all soft and blended, it'll look real good. Eye 2, the harder eye. Little pro tip here. I always like to make sure that my elbow is rested against something when I'm doing smaller detail work when it comes to eyeshadow, because your hand won't shake as much and you'll get a lot more precision. The next shade I'm gonna be going in with from the Ilia palette is the shade Cocoon, and I'm going to be taking it on this Sephora Pro Shadow No. 13 brush. I'm gonna be picking it up in kind of like a pressing motion because I wanna get quite a bit of pigment on this brush. You kind of wanna be able to see it. I'm taking the flat side of the Pro Shadow 13 and I'm pressing it in my inner corner and dragging it up to create a faux cut crease. This is gonna give us the appearance of a cut crease with like half the work. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna take that same shade on that same brush and I'm gonna apply it right under my brow on my brow bone. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm taking that 26 brush and I'm just dipping right back into that Ilia palette in the shade 1979. I think that this is coming together beautifully. It's looking great. I think it's time for some mascara. My absolute favorite step of any makeup routine is putting on mascara. I just feel like mascara makes everything look better. This is the Ilia Fullest Volumizing Mascara. Currently obsessing. It's got this gorgeous hourglass shape to its bristles that just help grab onto every individual lash and build up volume. This mascara also has probiotics and vitamin B5 to help grow your natural lashes underneath, which I love. Oh my God, look at that mascara. Are you kidding me? Look at these lashes. I need you to zoom in as far as you can on my lashes. This is the drama. I've brought the drama. Am I the drama? I brought the drama, okay? There it is. All the volume. So currently in my makeup routine, I am obsessed with blush. Cream blush, powder blush, I just love blush. So today we're gonna be going in with one of my faves. This is the Tower 28 Beach Please Lip and Cheek Blush in the shade Magic Hour. Looks like this. Super pretty color. Nice dewy finish. And I like to apply this with my fingers. I'm gonna pat some on the back of my hand to just make sure I don't put too much on my face at once. It's easier to apply than it is to remove. I think my favorite thing about the shade Magic Hour is it is like a color that my face would almost naturally turn. So it does feel like a natural flush on my face. Look at that glow. Holy moly. I like to even bring my blush up onto my temples because this has such a glowy finish. I think it almost acts like a highlighter as well. So you get double duty in one product. I'm also gonna take some and apply it across the bridge of my nose to give my nose sort of like a sun-kissed look. Final step to this makeup look is going to be my lips, and today I'm gonna be using the Bite Beauty Power Move Hydrating Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Sugar Buns. It comes in this super gorgeous soft matte component, and it's this perfect mauve-y nude shade. My favorite thing about this formula is that it's a super comfortable to wear soft matte. You don't end up with any dry patches, any crusties, and it's comfortable enough to wear all day. This is the final look. It's super lightweight, everyday glam using all clean products. I really love it. I hope you love it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!